Have you ever wondered which programming language is better in 2026, Python or Java? If you're starting coding, this choice can shape your career. Python is now the most popular programming language globally, especially because AI, machine learning, and automation are growing fast. It's simple to read, easy to learn, and lets beginners build projects quickly. That's why startups and AI companies prefer it. Java, on the other hand, remains a powerhouse in enterprise software. Banks, government systems, Android apps, and large backend platforms still rely heavily on Java because it's fast, secure, and scales well. Let's compare. First, learning Python is easier. Its syntax looks clean, almost like plain English. Java takes more effort because you must understand classes and strict structure early. Second, speed Java is faster. It runs on the JVM and handles heavy applications better. Python is slower for raw performance, but many AI libraries are optimized behind the scenes, so it still dominates AI development. Third, career Python leads in data science, automation, and scripting. Java leads in enterprise backend, fintech, and Android development. Community discussions show Python jobs are growing fastest due to AI, while Java stays stable for long-term enterprise careers. So which one should you choose? Choose Python if you want to work in AI, machine learning, automation, or launch projects quickly. Choose Java if you want enterprise software, stable backend jobs, or Android apps. Best strategy? Start with Python for speed and modern opportunities. Then learn Java to expand into larger systems. Because in 2026, the smartest developers don't pick one forever, they use the right tool for the right problem. Endline: Python gives speed, Java gives power. Your goal decides the winner.